right, we got a train heading down the line with like a Norfolk Southern. Right now we're at Bayview Road. And then we're here to get some action. And there it is. Union Pacific, all right. So I'm railfanning at Bayview Road. Symbol on this train is Norfolk Southern. Nah, this is crossing, bro. Symbol on this train is Norfolk Southern 28B. And that's 28B. The 28B originates from Chicago, Illinois at the 6th Street Yard. Heads east of Buffalo, New York, where it terminates at the Bison Yard on this Monday, June 19th, 2023 by Bergen the Railfanning on YouTube. Before I go on to the next video, let me check if there any CSX trains, because I'm in Bayview Road, and let's see if there's any CSX trains. There's none in this side, and there's none in this area too. All right, on to the next video. Roll it. All right, we got Norfolk Southern Slug set down the line. So we got like this a nice looking Slug 662 and like the 67, probably a GP in this train. So as you can see in this video, probably the first time I see the ECL locomotives. Heading back. And now that is symbol on that train is C88. The C88 originates from Buffalo, New York at the Bison Yard. And then formally it's going back to the Bison Yard, the local turn. And that's gonna go to Hamburg, where they most likely drop their cars. But not right now. They're heading back to the Bison Yard just right now. On to the next video. Roll it. All right, we got a CSX train heading down the line. symbol on this train is CSX I-008. The I-008 originates from Rose Lake, Illinois. Heads east to North Bergen, New Jersey, where it terminates. On to the next video. Roll it.